technique exercise that works on patterns and also just evenness of sound, getting your sounds really even in the rhythm. So it's a very straightforward 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in my opinion, that's the hardest thing to do, is do something that's like really perfectly even. But also, this is a pattern exercise, so the pattern is going to shift. I'm going to try to do that thing I've been doing recently, which is where I write the pattern as we go. So they have a little cheat sheet as we go along. I've learned that that is very helpful, so I might as well do it. So this is a bunch of paradiddles, cramp rolls, and stomp toe heel toes. So let's go ahead and get started. This can be done at any level, by the way, so I'm not going to call it like beginner, intermediate, or advanced. The level depends on the speed. So it can be done at, honestly, any level. So beginner, intermediate, advanced, whichever. We're going to be working on it in this video, probably at an intermediate tempo. So keep that in mind, but you can try it at any tempo that you want. So let's go ahead and get started. So the whole thing, no matter which part you're on, it's 2 paradiddles, 1 cramp roll, 1 stomp toe heel toe. So it's 2 paradiddles, a cramp roll, and a stomp toe heel toe. So you stomp, you move your toe, you move your heel, you move your toe. When you've done that last one, you transfer your weight so that your other foot is free. So that's actually the first pattern. Let's go ahead and practice that first pattern. 2 paradiddles, a cramp roll, and a stomp toe heel toe. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. Then we will do it on the left. So this is a right and then left kind of combination so that we work both sides. So 2 paradiddles, a left cramp roll, stomp toe heel toe. Awesome. So let's do right and then left just to put it all together. This is part 1. There's 4 parts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. 2 paradiddles, a cramp roll, and a stomp toe heel toe. The second part. Everything stays in the same order, but you start from a different spot. So we're going to start from the second paradiddle. It's probably the weirdest one. So you had paradiddle, paradiddle, cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe. Now you're going to take that first paradiddle and put it at the end of the phrase. Everything else stays in the same order. So it's going to go paradiddle, cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle. So you start with the right foot, but now your left foot's free, so the cramp roll is going to end up being on the left. So is the stomp toe, heel toe, and now the paradiddle's on the right. Then you would start over. Paradiddle, cramp, roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle. So you literally just took the phrase, took the paradiddle, put it at the end of the phrase, and it feels like a completely new phrase. So let's try that. Paradiddle, cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle. Paradiddle, cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle. And let whatever foot's free determine which foot you do the cramp roll and the stomp toe, heel toe with. Ready? Just the second line. 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's try the first line and then the second line together. So you're going to go paradiddle, paradiddle, cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, twice. And then you're going to go paradiddle, cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and cramp, roll, stomp toe, left. 1, 2, cramp, roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle, cramp, roll. Kind of cool, right? So that's how the first 2 lines go. Part 3. Once again, you take what was at the front and you move it to the end. So now we're starting with the cramp roll. It's cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle, paradiddle. cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle, paradiddle. So right and left. So let's try that. Starting with the right foot on the cramp roll. 5, 6, 7, go. Cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle, para left. I'm hoping that this cheat sheet is helping because I have my own. I have my own to keep track of it. It's the keeping track of it that's hard. So that hopefully this is helping. So let's try adding that on. So it's cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe, paradiddle, paradiddle. We add on to the parts before that. Ready? From the first part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, paradiddle, cramp roll, stomp toe left. 1, 2. Cramp roll, stomp toe, paradiddle, cramp roll. Paradiddle, cramp roll, stomp toe, heel toe. Now a cramp roll. Left side. It can get so confusing. Just keep following that pattern. All right, the last line of the pattern. You have stomp toe, heel toe. So you take the cramp roll, move it to the end. So now we're starting with the stomp toe, heel toe, and then paradiddle, paradiddle, cramp roll. This makes the first cramp roll on the left. And then you go back into stomp toe, heel toe. So let's just try the last line, and then we'll try it from the beginning. My computer fell asleep. Let's try the last line, and then we'll try it from the beginning with all of it. Ready? Just from stomp toe, heel toe first. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and cramp roll. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that's the end of it. So let's try the whole thing from the beginning, and then we'll try it with music, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Second line. Cramp roll. Cramp roll. Left side. Last line. Stomp. Whew. That's like impossible to call out as we go, but hopefully you guys made it through. Let's go ahead and try it with music. It's a moderate tempo first, and then we may turn it up. We might just turn it up a notch, who knows? Just for fun. All right, let's give it a shot. Da, 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 da. So it's a little bit faster than we were doing. Well, that's weird. So it's a little bit faster than we were doing. Music's like, nah, that's not gonna play today. Ready? 5, 6, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Hopefully we made it through. Hopefully it went okay. Shall we try one more time? I'm gonna turn up the tempo just a little bit. Just a little bit. It'll be fun, I promise. I promise. If it's not fun, you can always turn the You can always rewind and do the slow version again, the slower version again. And you guys can do this exercise to any song you want, which means any tempo. You can take it to a beginner class, to a super advanced class, just turn up the tempo. Fun time learning this technique exercise with me. Patterns like that are some of my favorite things to do, and also any exercise where I can challenge my students to practice being even is something that I want to do, because I am such a stickler for musicality, and this is one of the best ways to practice your musicality. Keep it with a song. Keep it so perfectly with a song. So I hope you guys had a really, really good time. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials where you can just learn a step, choreography just for fun where I set a short piece to some music and you guys learn it with me, Tappy Talks vlogs, challenges, shoe reviews, you name it, we've got it. It's all tap dance, all free, and it's all for you. So don't be shy about hitting the subscribe button, but also hit that thumbs up button so YouTube knows people like free tap dance classes. It really helps them put like these videos out there so that other people can go, oh look, free tap dance class, because YouTube's algorithm is very much based on these thumbs up. So hit that thumbs up for me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me and doing these exercises with me. I hope that they're helping you become better tap dancers. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.